Six ceiling, four closing. A little bit wider, watch. Slowly go through the motion, six ceiling, four closing. This is the standard version. Standard. Variation 1, don't move. Variation 2, don't move, only here. No, only here. Oh. You see? No move. Again, no move, only here. Too loose. With a rotation, but come this way. No. Watch, don't move. Don't move. Let go, don't move. Don't move. Don't move.
One more time?
Yeah. Lock, don't move. Only here. Can you see that? Again, stop. Totally relax. Relax. Only. No, don't move. No, you're moving. Don't move. Totally like that. See, watch me, okay? Once we're here,
right.
You change direction.
Okay.
You change direction. You change direction. Only here. Okay. This is the same as the one we were training with a board on your chest, okay? It's very important. Your whole body is going to rotate, but this dot touching me has to shoot totally straight. But with body like this. You see? It's lost. Oh, that dot is straight. Like that. Now I'll show you what's straight. Find that one there. This dot here. Get that rod, that stick. Put in here. Now, align, go that way a little bit. That's it. Align your elbow on there. No. Don't push elbow, go backward, align it. Yeah. The shoulder is wrong, but at this time it does not matter. Only push this across, like that.
Yeah, I felt it originally.
Yeah. So as soon as it's a very small tap, that little bit on that there, this now put it here. Here, go lower, total parallel to the floor. Okay, swing this way. More. That's it. Don't move. Go back a little bit. Back. Don't move. Hold it this way a little bit. Okay. When that happens, you must move this way along that line.
Go.
Yeah.
You okay?
Shot in here. When it's right on, like that top of the nail, because normally you move, there's no energy.
Right.
What you did is, on this here, this move, you went like this.
So I did it right.
Oh yeah, it's like my body movements was 0 and there is 1. That 1 is unbearable. If we're moving, you're only gaining a little bit of advantage. So in the end, it's how to go loosely, find this dot, you find the opposite. Every part is loose, only like a guitar string. So do this. You moved your body, only here. I showed you, watch. You are doing this, right. It's only here. Now see, you moved,
right. It's
only here. Like you went high, only here. That you went up, only here. That you turned. You see that? Go. You went up. That's it. And this one, boom. You see that? Now, after that, this is what you want to do, okay? Now go slow, do it. Now he's going to apply that. I'm here. Right. And now go. I release myself. The reason is because this way, it's a different move. This here, when you start, I release this power to here. At that point, I make a hook. I'm going to zap his dantian. When he goes like this, you see this here, here, I switch it to here. Single whip is the counter for 6 ceiling floor closing. In the end, totally flexible, okay? Totally flexible. Wider, wider. Our training is, I show you, like that, and he goes, now imagine, and hook. This is totally not existent. He goes, no, no, hook, 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 like this hard beak
Oh, yeah.
into my dantian. No, no, don't fight, totally nothing. This whole thing goes, no, it's too slow. We were able to train like this. The other person, that, like that. That's on the touch. On the touch. Unless you can do that, it's useless. Nobody's waiting for you, right? See, to the touch. Yeah, he's going to touch. No, no. No. You're going to do this.
Oh.
Can you see? You're going to do this. He's going to, that's it. See, on the touch, this one is waiting.
Right.
Here, that's it. Can you see? It's there. It's there. In the future, it's there. Can you see? That's. Yeah, you have to train. Just like karate, take a move out, train until it's useful.